It's another end of the night, next morning video from me. It is the morning after. We had a really long, really exciting day today. Well, I mean, it's yesterday now. Oh my gosh, the ship back here is really moving today and it keeps like going boom. We went to dinner again in the Royal Palace, I think is what it's called. Geez, every time I sit down to talk about it, I forget. It's either Royal Guard, no, it must be Royal Palace. It was pirate night, so we put on our pirate garb. We got these free bandanas. Here they are. Oops. They were in the cabin when we arrived yesterday, or when we woke up yesterday, when we came back from lunch yesterday. I don't know. They showed up in the cabin, so everybody has the possibility to be slightly pirate themed for the pirate night. Dinner was, for the food in the main dining room, the most flavorful vegetarian options that I've had so far on this ship in the main dining room. And I'm excited actually because tomorrow, which is today for me now, so in the next daily video, that will only be the second time that I get to go to the buffet here. And the buffet food, as far as like meat and fish stuff, has been really excellent. Marcus said I only ate there on the first day. The next day we were on the island, and yesterday I did the room service video, and then every night we've been going to the dining room option. So I'm excited to go there again tomorrow afternoon for you now, but for me, like in 20 minutes, because like I said, today is actually tomorrow for you watching this now. So confusing. It's pirate night. After dinner, we hustled back up to the pool deck to watch the pirate show and the fireworks with the appearance of Jack Sparrow, and it was really exciting. The crowd really got into it, and speaking of crowd, it was very crowded. Get there really early, bring something warm because it was chilly and cold and windy up there. At least, I'm sure it's not like that every time, but it can be. Sea days at night can be cold and chilly and windy, so just be sure to pack for that as well. The actual pirate show and the part with Jack Sparrow was quite short. It was only like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then the fireworks went off and they were really great. For being on a ship, they were really great, really exciting fireworks. And like I said, the crowd went wild. After that, we hustled down to the Buena Vista Theater, which is the movie theater on board. So they have a theater where they are only showing movies. I've seen movies on other cruise ships, but then they've been playing either in the conference center, which is kind of weird, or they've been playing in the main theater where they just hang a movie screen. But on the Disney Dream, they have like a dedicated movie theater where they are showing movies every day, all day. Well, you know, very often, every day. And it has a fantastic sound system, very comfy seats. There's a little popcorn and drink bar outside, nothing included in the price of your cruise. So even if you want popcorn, you have to pay extra for it, which I have gotten for free on other cruise lines, just mentioning that. Anyhow, we saw the new Star Wars movie, Rise of, what's it called again? You know what it's called. Yeah, and it was really loud, a really fantastic movie experience, much better than the theater that I go to in Hamburg, or one of the theaters that I go to in Hamburg. And, you know, this was included in the price of my cruise. I didn't have to pay, you know, $14.50 plus 3D glasses. It was just all included. We went, we watched Star Wars. It was fantastic and loud, and we really enjoyed it. But that started at 10:45, so we didn't get back to the cabin until like 1. Oh, did you feel that, or did you notice that? The ship went gong again. Get back to the cabin until like, get back to the cabin until like, get back to the cabin until like. Look who's waiting for us at home. And we got 2 gold doubloons. Dead men tell no tales. And that was our day. So in the next video coming for you, it will be our sea day, our final day on board. So if you want to watch that, be sure to check back next week. And if you are subscribed to the channel, you know, if you hit that bell button, I know people talk about this all the time, but just in case you don't know it, if you hit that bell button, then when you start YouTube, my videos might be one of the videos that pop up there to sort of remind you, oh look, there's a new video. So just a little helpful hint for you. I hope that you come back next week, and I'm looking forward to showing you more about this ship. And then in just a few days, we'll be at Disney World. See you real soon.